Air Innovations manufactures the most innovative and highest quality humidifiers ever created. Air Innovations introduces the Ultrasonic Clean Mist Smart Humidifier, Model 602 Tabletop Humidifier. It has a 1.6-gallon tank infused with an antimicrobial inhibitor to help prevent microbial growth on the surface of the tank and base. A permanent ceramic filter that never needs to be replaced. Dual tank handles for easy filling and carrying. A dual directional mist nozzle, built-in humidistat, programmable on and off timer, and an auto out-of-water shutoff. The ultrasonic cool mist technology means it's completely silent and safe to the touch, and it even runs up to 80 hours on one tank. That's 10 nights of sleep before you have to refill it. That's one of the longest-running humidifiers available for its size on the market today. Here's a look inside. What you are seeing is clean mist technology in action. It comes with a permanent ceramic filter, and the tank and base are infused with an antimicrobial inhibitor to help prevent microbial growth on the surface of the tank and base, sending water to the ultrasonic atomizer to create a plume of cool, refreshing moisture. Because it's so affordable and efficient, you can put one in every room in your home. Air Innovations, the leader in humidification technology.